Hello and welcome. This is the first video in our Introductory to Statistics with R. For this video and subsequent videos, we will be using the RStudio IDE, the Interactive Development Environment, and I wanted to give you an orientation to R before we start actually using it for any of the courses, or at least RStudio. Now, RStudio is just a cover over the R console, and if you want to use the R console, that's fine. There are other data environments. The code we're going to use in this course is going to be the exact same no matter what you use. I just prefer to use RStudio. RStudio has 4 different screens I'm going to work with. Up here is a script area, and I can write code that will not be executed until I tell it to be executed. So if I want to do 4 plus 5 and I press enter, nothing happens down here in the console. The console is where anything actually gets displayed that I run. So if I go back up here and I tell it to run that code now, it actually ran. I can go down here directly to the console, 4 plus 5, and I run it. I get the same thing out, but it runs immediately. In the upper right hand corner you have your environment. This will show you all of your variables that you've already displayed, and if you have any data sets in here you can actually click on it and it'll show you those data sets up here, which is kind of nice. Over to the right, bottom right here, it'll show you your current working directory. Notice I'm stats with R course is my current working directory and I don't have any files in there. It'll also show you any plots that you create. So for instance, if I do plot, this is a little more advanced, x equals 1, y equals 1, it's going to show up right here one by one. Okay. And any packages that you have installed. This is also really handy for the help window if I ever need any help, but I mainly use it for my plots and for the help window. Up top here, your different buttons are many of the normal buttons that you'll see in most programs. You got your save everything, your open files, so you don't have to actually type in code to open things. But this is the data environment that I will be using to create the videos. Feel free to use any other data environment that's at your disposal and you feel more comfortable with. Thank you.